Hey everybody, welcome back to Heartland Rebuilds. I'm here with my 2023 Ford Maverick XL, and I can't leave anything stock long enough to drive it more than 100 miles. So today I'm going to be working on getting rid of this vinyl trim piece right here. This just attaches to the door frame, and then it's painted underneath it. And I don't have that little factory key fob, so there's nothing to worry about trying to take this off. It won't be a giant hole or something there. It's just solid metal. So follow along, and hopefully it shouldn't take more than a few seconds for you. It might take a couple minutes for me. I'm just going to work on the top part here. Peel this back. Yeah. Nothing like doing semi-permanent modifications to your truck the day after you buy it. 1 out of 4 done. Try to get it all off at one section, one piece. Oh, almost. Oh, come on. Why won't the other one come off so easy? Yeah, I like that look a lot better. A little bit more of a sporty appearance to it. I think it looks way better. Nice and smooth. And I didn't have to do any cleanup. You just grab a corner and peel it right off. So if you like this video, hit that like button, leave me a comment, let me know how I'm doing. Hit that subscribe if you haven't yet. Press that bell for notifications when I post up a new video on this Maverick. And I will see you on my next video. Bye.